Okay, so today we're going to look at a question from the University of London International Programme. This question will be relevant to anybody studying a first year of university economics course at any good university around the world. This chapter focuses on consumer choice. So, the first thing we're going to do is simply highlight the key pieces of information from our text. So, the price of car transport is currently 30 cents per mile. The price of bus transport, 60 cents per mile. The marginal utility of Mario's last mile of car transport is 80 utils. And the marginal utility of his last mile of bus transportation is 150 utils. So what we'll do is we'll go through and we'll systematically eliminate the incorrect answers and arrive at a correct answer. Mario is currently maximizing his utility. Well, the condition for utility maximization is MUY over PY equals MUX over PX. Let's let Y equal cars and X equal buses. So what we're going to do is we're just going to sub into this formula. And what we find is that 80 over 30 does not equal 150 over 60. Therefore, he is not maximizing his utility, as this condition does not hold. So, B. Mario could increase his utility by decreasing his consumption of car transport. Well, what we need to do is we need to figure out which one is giving him more utility per pound on the marginal units. So we essentially need to compare these fractions and see which one's bigger. So to do that, I'm going to make the denominators the same so that I can compare the numerators. So 180 over 30, I will make 160 over 60, simply by timesing it by 2. This side, I'll leave the same. So here we see that the numerator here is bigger, which means that this fraction is bigger than this fraction. So we're getting more marginal utility per pound spent on cars than we are per pound spent on buses. Therefore, we should spend more pounds on cars and less pounds on buses. So this is incorrect, and C is the correct answer. If we spend more pounds on cars, we will be happier than if we spend more pounds on buses. Next. The next question is a simple utility maximization question. So here we've been given a utility function and we're asked to test these different possibilities. So it just tests, do you know how to use a function? All we're going to do is we're just going to put these numbers in and see if the statement holds. So U64 is 6 times 4 because it's x times y. This is x, this is y. So that comes to 24. U of 3, 8. 3 times 8, 24. So these two bundles give us the same level of happiness. Therefore, we will be indifferent between these two. So the answer is A.